Hey everyone, I thought I'd show you my new Shark Hoover. So it doesn't look very interesting because it's just a box, but Ryan's going to open it for me. We got it from Argos and it was £199.99, was it? So basically £200. Oh, it is in the Shark box. Oh, it's so exciting. I'm so sad getting excited about Hoover. It's quite heavy as well, so I'm glad you're doing it. Sorry if you can hear Lily, she's just playing with books in the background. Oh, I'll move those scissors. Oh, it looks so good. I'll wait for him to tip it the right way. Oh, the Shark powered lift away with DuoClean. This is what it looks like. And I chose the white one. I really like the white one. And it just looks so cool. Right, so we can get out that box now. Oh, it says congratulate. Wait, what does that say? Congratulations for choosing Shark Power Hoover. Oh, well, thank you. Oh.
So you get a picture.
Oh yeah, so we got some pouring stuff. We flip. Well, that's like the foot bit in it. I could get used to this, just holding the camera, watching him unbox. Are you excited too, Lily? I know, well, I'm just excited for my books. You get bits and bobs, don't you? Or is that the main bit? A lot of packaging. Oh, it smells new as well. I love that new smell. Got another pole.
That's it.
That's everything. So it's just got a cardboard box down there. I'll move the box. So now these all them pieces. You're stealing my limelight.
I like it a lot.
What we got, Lily? She's being nosy. Oh, it just looks so good. Oh, that's so soft, isn't it? Oh, that looks so nice. Oh, that looks nice. It's like sparkly. Oh, and there's lights on it. Never had a Hoover with lights on it. I will be sad because my Hetty, I absolutely love my Hetty, and she's pink. The main reason why I love her, she's pink, and her she's just really good. Her suction and everything, but she's really heavy. And I've been eyeing up the Shark Hoover for a while now, so I'm glad I finally got it. Oh, and it's thanks to my dad that I got it. So at Christmas he bought me the laptop, and the laptop didn't have a software for editing videos. I couldn't find like a decent software, so I ended up selling the laptop to get my Hoover. So it's like from my dad. Oh, that looks so nice. Yeah, I'll probably keep the sticker on. Looks so good. And sorry about the lighting, it looks blue. I don't know why it looks blue on camera. Yeah, Princess, you excited? Oh, Mummy's excited. You can see it's there. This is like one of the attachments. What is the point in that cardboard on there? There's no point in that. You're taking on my fun. Oh, what does that feel like? Does it feel? Oh, this feels like plasticky, doesn't it? Looks like a weird texture. See Lily in the background making a mess. There's the booklet there if you want to read it. Oh. So it looks like there's a power button and then a lift away button. Oh, it's quite heavy, this is. That is definitely heavy. Let's do what's inside it. Oh, it just looks so cool. Oh, look, there's loads of little buttons everywhere. so excited to use it. Tell I'm a clean freak, I get excited over a Hoover. Oh, it clicks in. It clicks in there. It just like all clicks on then. That's pretty good. Where does that red one go? Oh, that goes in there. It just go click. So it goes that way. Oh, it just looks so good. I've never really had like a upright Hoover. Oh, right, now we'll turn it on. Right, so there's two settings right here. There's hard floor, and then you just push this forward and it goes to carpet, so you can see it highlights which one is on. So I thought that's quite good. So here as well is the suction control. So there's minimum and maximum. Oh, that's quite cool, and it's got holes in it. So that's that, and then I think we're about to turn it on. Just to add, it was on the wrong side. It was on carpet. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, that looks so cool, doesn't it? I'll try. Try and finish cooking your stuff. So Ryan's having a go with the Hoover. It's very, very powerful if you can hear me. And oh look, it leaves lines. Minus all Lily's toys that she's just got out. Oh, that's so cool. Right, so this is how you lift it away. So it's just got a button there that says lift away. You just push it in and pull it out, and then it just slides back in and clicks. So that's pretty good. So we're going to try that one now. Handle release. Oh, look at it. Oh, this is so cool. So move the wire. So then this is like the lift away setting, and it's got another attachment as it for this. So it's easier to do like the stairs. I'd say it's like pretty heavy for me, but I'm like a weakling anyway. But it is heavy, it isn't exactly light. But just lifted the main bit of the Hoover out and then put like this little attachment on it. And I think this one's the carpet one, so I'm gonna do the carpet. So cool. So as you can tell, it proper sucks up, and I don't know if you can tell on camera, but as I'm hoovering, it's like lifting the carpet up. Like the suction is so powerful. So yeah, I think that's going to be the end of showing you the unboxing of the Shark Hoover. And on the box it does say it's great for carpet and ideal for floors as well. Overall, I'm happy with it. If you have any questions, I'm going to be using it throughout. I hoover like 2 times a day. So yes, I'm going to be using it for quite a while. And if you have any questions, or if you want me to do like an update in a few months to see how like I'm getting on with it, but so far so good, and I'm just so happy with it. So yes, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.